Today on research writing, we want to see the different components of your chapter 2. Are you ready to learn? Good day. I'm Dr. Usman Muhammad Bello. I'm here to simplify your research writing process. Chapter 2, Literature Review. The entire chapter 2 of your literature review can be classified or divided into 3 broad areas. Earlier in our previous video, I've explained that literature review requires you to read different texts on certain topics relating to your topic and then responding to them. But these issues could be classified or categorized into 3. We have those that are relating to concepts. So we'll call that conceptual review. Then we have those issues that are relating to theories. We'll call that theoretical review. And then we have those issues that are relating to previous studies. We call that empirical review. Thus, the entire chapter 2 of your work has 3 basic components, which are conceptual review, theoretical review, and then empirical review. We shall examine each of these in our videos. Conceptual review. This requires that you pick up all the relevant concepts, the concepts that are relating to your topic, the topic of your study. You generate all the concepts, and sometimes you are also going to see some sub-concepts from the major concept drawn from your topic. All of them will need to be reviewed in your work, and they will have to be addressed under conceptual study. And how do you do that? Let's say, for instance, one of the concepts in your work, let's agree it's noun. So we expect you to review the concept of noun within the concept of your study. How do you do that? Let us see different scholars' views on the concept of noun. For instance, scholar A has defined noun as this. Scholar B defines noun as this. Scholar C, you let us know. Now let us see some of the scholars' views that are contrary to one another. Let us see some of the scholars' views that are similar to one another. Then let us now see your own reaction or response to this view in the context of your work. Then it's possible you may also tell us that some scholars have highlighted some features of nouns as this, and that. Let us know if you have different scholars giving different features. Let us know. Then if those features are contrary, let us bring out the basis for the contradictions in the features they have given. Then from your own perspective, which of the features do you think are appropriate? You understand? Or do you think both classifications of features, even though they are contradictory, they are useful? So you as a scholar now, you now find a way to merge both features that the two of them have given us. You now come up with fresh features or classification for now, margin from the earlier two you have identified. This is how scholarship is born. From that, we'll now see that yes, you have actually reviewed the concept of noun. If someone else is now doing a research in future, the person can now cite your own classification or your own definition of noun based on what you have done. So this is how you do your conceptual. You do it for all the concepts, and you make sure that all the concepts you have highlighted, they relate. There should be some kind of relationship, connection between them within your work. So this is how you have to do from the beginning to the end before you can say you have done a good conceptual review. If you find this video useful, if you have learned anything in this video, please like, comment, and share, and follow for more videos on literature review. Thank you.